The Porsche 912, introduced in 1965, was designed to provide an accessible entry point into the Porsche lineup while retaining the brand's distinctive performance and styling, positioned as a more affordable alternative to the Porsche 911. The 912 shared much of its design and engineering with its six-cylinder sibling, but was powered by a 1.6-litre flat-4 engine derived from the Porsche 356. This engine produced 90 horsepower, which, when paired with the car's lightweight construction, delivered a spirited driving experience. Despite its smaller engine, the 912 quickly earned a reputation for its balance, agility, and practicality, making it a popular choice among enthusiasts and new Porsche customers alike. In appearance, the 912 was nearly identical to the 911, featuring the same sleek, aerodynamic lines and iconic teardrop-shaped headlights. Designed by Ferdinand Butzi Porsche, it bridged the gap between the classic 356 and more modern sports cars. The simplicity and elegance of the design have helped the 912 achieve timeless status in automotive history. Available as a coupe and later as a Targa with a removable roof panel, the 912 offered versatility and style that appealed to a wide audience. Its compact dimensions and lightweight construction not only enhanced its performance but also contributed to its enduring aesthetic appeal. The driving experience of the Porsche 912 was one of its standout features. Weighing just over 2,000 pounds, the car's lightweight design allowed it to take full advantage of its modest power output. The balanced chassis and rear-mounted engine provided excellent handling, especially on winding roads. With a top speed of around 115 miles per hour and 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in approximately 11 seconds, the 912 was capable of delivering engaging performance for its time. Its precise steering, responsive suspension, and 5-speed manual gearbox made it a joy to drive, even for those new to high-performance cars. Inside, the 912 featured a simple, yet functional interior that emphasized the driving experience. The dashboard was equipped with clear, easy-to-read gauges, including a central tachometer that became a signature element of Porsche's design language. High-quality materials such as leather and wood trim were available as options, adding a touch of refinement to the otherwise minimalist cabin. Practicality was another hallmark of the 912, with rear seats that could accommodate small passengers or be folded down for additional cargo space. Produced from 1965 to 1969, the 912 was a commercial success, particularly in the United States, where it outsold the 911 in its debut year. After its discontinuation in favor of the Porsche 914, the 912 made a brief return in 1976 as the 912e, featuring a 2.0-litre flat-4 engine. Although only produced for 1 year, the 912e retained the original model's charm and remains a sought-after collectible.